Instagram others account post not showing. Showing this error, no post yet. Don't worry, this problem is not happening only to you. This problem is happening to many users on Instagram. If you want, you can solve this problem very easily. So go back to home screen, go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram Lite. From here, install Instagram Lite. Now go back to home screen, open Instagram Lite and log in your account. Now go to someone profile and see post showing now. In this way you can easily solve this problem instantly, but if you want to fix this problem permanently, then follow the next step. Just go back to home screen, open Instagram. Now click on profile icon, click on 3-line icon. Now scroll down and find help option. Click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Click on report problem again. Now click on include and continue. Here explain your problem in details. Here type Instagram others account post not showing. It says no post yet. Please fix these issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send button. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.